Alright, so in today's video we're going to be cutting open Grandpa's rock. Okay, this is a rock that Josiah's grandpa gave to him to cut open. He got it from a friend. He doesn't know what kind of rock it is, so it's pretty heavy, whatever it is. So let's see what's inside. I don't know if it's a thunder egg or an egg or a geode or what it is. So let's take a look inside this rock. See what's hiding in the inside. Alright, so we went ahead and cut it open. So what did we get, Josiah? Not a whole lot. That's interesting though. It's got an interesting texture inside of it. It's got some really bad saw marks in there, but interesting.